Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. I am so happy to spend some more time with you today. And for those of you that are watching my video for the first time, hi, welcome to the channel. My name is Ree, and I am a professional educator that just happens to be a homeschooling mom as well. In this video, we will explore the concept of individualizing instruction to meet the unique needs of each child. We will also look at resources available to you as a support while engaging in the homeschool journey. This is the third video in my Back to the Basics homeschooling series. Therefore, if you have not watched either of the previous videos, I strongly suggest that you pause this one and view the other two right away. Then, when you finish with those two videos, please come back to this one to see what information is shared next. Now, by personalizing our teaching approach, we can enhance our children's learning experiences and foster academic success. We just simply need a plan to make it happen. So, today, we will discuss what individualized instruction is and how to provide it to our children, identify support resources available to us that we can use as we prepare for the school year ahead, and then we'll conclude with a final thought about the topic of individualized instruction. But first, I want to take a moment and simply ask you to please click the thumbs up button to like this video so that it helps get this message out to others. Then click on the subscribe button if you have not already done so in order to help grow the channel. And then please hit the notification bell so YouTube will notify you whenever I upload a new video. And with that, I just simply want to say thank you for your support of this channel. Okay, today's topic is a fun one because it's all about the individual learner, our children. There's nothing more important and enjoyable to discuss than how to offer our children the best education possible. With individualized instruction, in essence, you get to delve into the art of teaching with each child as the central idea of the year's work. This is your opportunity to tailor the instruction to each child's specific needs. To help you do that effectively, you will want to consider such things as their learning styles, as well as their strengths and weaknesses, which will then allow you to be able to create their personalized SMART goals. Now, I don't want to extend this video too long, but I did address learning styles and student strengths and weaknesses in my second video. So please refer back to that one to find out more about learning styles and strengths and weaknesses that learners possess. I do believe there's some good information there along with resources for you as you would need it. Now, in reference to SMART goals, it's simply an approach to setting effective goals for anything you're about to begin, such as the upcoming homeschool year. SMART is simply an acronym to represent leveraging a specific strategy that accomplishes an intended outcome successfully. Let's delve more into this idea. What exactly is SMART? Well, the acronym stands for specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, and timely. SMART Goals was developed by George Doran in 1981. With this effective approach to setting goals, one would ask themselves questions like specific, what are you trying to do? What specifically do you want to actually accomplish? Measurable, how will you assess or measure your achievement towards the set goal? Attainable, can you reach your set goal with your available resources? And if not, what else do you need in order to reach your goals? Realistic, can you actually meet the goals you set? Are these goals attainable? And timely, what time frame are you setting in order to meet the goals? When you're able to answer all components of SMART, you have a pretty solid goal in place that you can now prepare your child's individual instruction all around. Now, this is just one resource, but if you want to know more about SMART, check out this website if you need to. You can also access a free SMART goal setting worksheet there that you can use to jumpstart your homeschool goal setting for each of your children. With that being said, what then is individualized instruction? It's simply a method used to tailor one's instructional delivery and the content to match the needs of an individual learner. Again, to match each child's academic needs, the teacher must consider the child's learning style, their academic strengths and weaknesses, and their individual interests. Creating your child's SMART goals after learning more about their academic abilities sets them up for a successful year ahead because this approach acknowledges that every child is different and that every child requires personalized support to reach their full potential. As you may already see, there are some great benefits to offering your child individualized instruction. First, it's student centered. What better option exists out there than instruction created for and with your child in mind? Next, individualized instruction provides one on one teaching. Third, your approach to instructing your child is specific and it matches their current academic needs. Then, the instruction you offer is flexible because it accommodates the academic needs of the child where they are at a specific time during a specific lesson. And finally, the pace of the instruction you provide is also flexible because it moves faster or slower according to your child's needs in terms of each content and the specific skills or lessons being covered. Now, let's take a moment to look at supports that are available to help if it's needed throughout the homeschooling year. But please remember that you do not have to travel this road alone. There is an entire community of homeschooling parents, educators, and community based support services that you can tap into. First, connecting with other homeschooling families in your area is a fantastic way to build a support system. Look for local homeschooling groups, co ops, or meetups where you can exchange ideas, share resources, and even plan educational outings together. Homeschooling co ops are collaborative groups of parents who pool their talents and resources to provide group learning experiences. So consider joining or even starting a co op to share teaching responsibilities and foster a sense of community, especially for our children that may be only children at home. And it is a top priority for you to build in that social piece. Next, the internet offers a vast array of online homeschooling communities. Join forums, social media groups, and educational platforms where you can interact with experienced homeschoolers. You can ask questions, you can seek advice when needed. Then, homeschooling conferences and workshops are valuable opportunities to gain insights from seasoned educators, as well as connecting with like minded parents. These events often provide workshops on various teaching approaches as well as curriculum choices. Also, keep in mind that you can make use of your local libraries and learning centers to find additional resources and educational support. Many libraries offer homeschooling programs, they offer book clubs and access to educational materials. They are a great source to help you find online programs that can also provide that individualized instruction that your children may need. Don't hesitate to seek guidance from education professionals either. Reach out to teachers, tutors, or homeschool consultants who can offer expert advice and suggestions tailored to your child's specific needs. And then finally, there are online tutoring services that can provide specialized support in specific subjects or areas where you might need additional assistance. And again, not just online tutoring services, you can also tap into the online school based programs if you prefer. Consider enrolling your child in virtual programs to supplement the learning. This is just an awesome way where you can tailor instruction to your child's individual needs. In conclusion, individualized instruction is a wonderful and effective way of teaching your child. It allows you to meet your child's academic needs using quality strategies that focus on understanding what they can do and what they need guidance to grow in. Looking at your child's learning styles and their strengths and their weaknesses further assist you in making your homeschooling journey the best one possible for you and your child. Knowing there are supports in place to assist you just a few clicks away is also comforting because this work is not done as successfully in isolation. Therefore, please remember to seek out local or online parent support meetings where the gatherings offer a safe space where you can discuss challenges, you can celebrate successes, and you can share ideas with other homeschooling parents. Many regions have homeschooling associations that offer valuable support, legal information, and advocacy. Look up homeschooling associations in your area and get involved in their activities. Just know that regardless of the issue, there are a number of supports in place to assist you throughout the academic year. With that in mind, I want to thank you for joining me for part 3 of our Back to Basics homeschooling series. Next up in part 4 is the topic of assessments. And if you found this information helpful, please subscribe to this channel. Click the thumbs up button to like the video, as well as hit the notification bell so you will be notified right away when I upload new videos. I am so grateful for each and every one of you. Until next time, I wish you a day full of love, joy, and peace. Bye for now.